How will I convert 3a5b base 12 to a number in base 10? This is it. It's actually very simple. Let's start with the first question. I want to convert 1011101 base 2 to a number in base 10. Alright, this is it. I'll do the expansion in this way. Each digit here multiplies the base. 1 times 2, 0 times 2, 1 times 2, 1 times 2, 1 times 2. I'm here now. 0 times 2, then 1 times 2. 101101. 101101. Good. Then I will assign powers starting from the last number here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is 2 raised to the power 6? It is actually 4 raised to the power 3. 4 times 4 times 4, that's 64. So everything here is 64. Everything here will be 0. This is 16. This is 8. This is 4. This is 0. 2 to the power of 0 is 1. And so 1 times 1 is 1. 64 plus 16 is 80. 88. 92. 93. So everything here is 93 base 10. So 101101 base 2 is equal to 93 in base 10. Is this easy? Alright, let's take the next one that has a decimal point. We'll see how to do it. It is 100011.118 base. Okay, 11 base 8 rather. 10011.11 base 8. We do the same expansion, but when assigning powers, we now change the pattern. See, 1 times 8 plus 0 times 8 plus 0 times 8 plus 1 times 8 plus 1 times 8 again. Then let me use a bigger plus here. We will have decimal points for a reason. 10011. 10011. Points. This very point is the plus. Then this 1 times 8 plus 1 times 8. So I use this bigger plus here so as to show the demarcation of where the powers will be positive and where to be negative. Now, in this number, it is a value that is made up of the whole number part and the integer and the decimal part. So from here we'll have this plus to the left, the whole number part. Then from the plus to the right, the decimal part. I will assign powers from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will have the decimal part, it becomes minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. You get the point now? That's all. So what is 8 to the power of 4? Let me calculate this. This is 1 times 8 to the power of 4 will be 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. 4096. This is 0 because 0 times anything is 0. 0 also. So I'm here now. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Then plus, by the law of indices, everything here will be 1 over 8 raised to the power 1. This will be 1 over 8 raised to the power 2. You understand me? So 4096 plus 9. Let me do that first. Plus 9 is 4105. Okay, I can do this in 2 ways, leaving it as a decimal or as a fraction. But let me leave it as a decimal. What's 1 over 8? 1 divided by 8 is 0.125. Then this is 64. So 1 divided by 64 is actually 0.015625. That is 4105.14065 base 10. So this is the equivalent of this in base 8, in base 10. Now, in similar fashion, we can solve the third one, question 3. 3012.21 base 4. We simply say 3 times 4, okay, plus 0 times 4, plus 1 times 4, plus 2 times 4, plus 2 times 4 again. Taking note of these points, this is where we have the decimal point, right? Plus 2 times 4, plus 1 times 4. So I will start from here, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then here we have minus 1 and minus 2. Alright, so what is 4 to the power of 3? That's actually 64. 4 times 4 times 4, 64. So this will be 3 times 64. Everything here is 0. 1 times, oh, I should be putting this in bracket, but pardon me. We know what we are doing actually. 1 times 4 raised to the power 1 is 4. 4 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So this will now be 2 over 4 raised to the power 1. You understand this? Plus 1 over 4 raised to the power 2. 3 times 64 is 192. Plus 4, this is 6, right? Okay, so if I just say 192 plus 6 is 198, right? So let me just say 198. 2 over 4 is 1 over 2, and that's 0.5. This is 1 over 16. So what is 1 divided by 16? 0.0625. So if I add this up, plus 0.5 plus 198 is 198.5625. Base 10. This is how we convert numbers in other bases to base 10. Let's solve the last question. We are converting this number in base 12 to base 10. Actually, 10 is A, B will be 11. You understand that? C is 12, D is 13. 10, 11, 12, 13, A, B, C, D, and so on and so forth. So A is 10 and B is 11. That's all. So this is simply 3 times 12 using the expansion method plus A times 12 plus 5 times 12 and plus B times 12. 0, 1, 2, 3. So what is 12 raised to the power 3? That is 12 times 12 times 12, 1728. So this is actually 3 times 1728. A is 10, I said that, so this is 10 times 12 squared is 144. This is 5 times 12. B is 11. This is 11 times 12 to the power of 0 is 1. So what is 3 times 1728? 5184, 5184. This will give me 1440. 5 times 12, what is that? That should be 60. Yes, 60. And this is 11. So if I add up all of this, 60 plus 11 plus 1440 plus 5184. Everything is equal to 6695. Base what now? Base 10. In the next video, I'll teach you how to convert from base 10 to another base. Now, mind you, if I want to convert a number in base 5 to a number that is not 10, let's say to base 7 or whatsoever, I must pass through 10, base 10. This is in base 5, for example, and this is in base 7. I want to go from base 5 to base 7. I will first of all go to base 10. Base 10 is the standard. It's like a central base, okay? So I'll take this 5 to 10. Then from 10, I will go to 7. So if I'm doing reverse, if I'm going from 7 to 5, I'll also go from 7 to 10 and from 10 to base 5. So in the next video, I'll show you how to convert numbers from base 10 to other bases. Alright, so see you there. Keep watching, subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends and your classmates.